Welcome to my class on Vedic Maths. In today's class, we will learn how to find the square root of a non-perfect squares. In the previous video, we learned how to find the square root of a perfect square numbers like 625, 225, but the numbers which are non-perfect, which gives you square root, which is not a perfect square root, we are going to learn how to find these using very less time. Within very less time we will be doing that. You will yourself realize that method is really awesome. So let us take a look at today's question. The first question that we see here is square root of 19. We know that 19 is a non-perfect square. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and 5 square is 25. So any number lying between 17 and 24, between 16 and 25, that is going to be a non-perfect square. So our answer should be something between 4 and 5. So we are going to learn how to find that. So before I explain you the method, let us try to understand a formula that we will be using here to get this. So formula I have mentioned here, root under a plus b is root a plus b over 2 root a. Now I will explain you what is the meaning of that. This 19 you have to break into two numbers a and b such that one of the number a is a perfect square. So let us try to find out a number which is a perfect square as well as close to this 19. So we can easily say that number is 16, because 16 is a perfect square, its square root is 4, and if you add 3 to 16 then it becomes 19. So we have here 16 as a and 3 as b. Now plug in the value in this formula and you will get the answer. So root 16, root a is root 16 plus b is 3 and over 2, and root a is again root 16. So that gives you finally 4 over 2, 4 plus 3 over 2 times 4, because root 16 is 4, so here 4. Now this is 4 plus 3 by 8. Now 3 by 8, if you solve it further, you will get 1 by 8 is 0.125, so 3 by 8 is 0.375. So 4.375. This will be the answer for this question. So root 19 is 4.375. We will have a look at more and more examples so that you understand how to use it really easy. While explaining, I am taking much of time. You will yourself realize when you are doing it, if you understand the formula, and you can do it very easily and very fast. Let us move to the next question now. Our next question is root 7. You have to find the square root of 7. So using the same formula, we will use it. So first of all, you have to think of a number that is very close to this number and it is a perfect square. Here in this formula, I will make some changes, plus and minus and plus and minus. So you can use, if it is plus, you can use plus over here. If it is minus, you can use minus over here. So I will show you how I'm going to use minus and how it is going to give you the result. Now root 7 can be written as root under 9 minus 2. That is a minus b. A is 9 and b is 2. So it is root 9. You can write root 9 minus b is what? B is 2. 2 by 2 root 9. 2 by 2 root 9. So that gives you root 9 is 3 minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and root 9 is 3 to 2 minus 1 by 3, which is 3 3 is 9 minus 1, 8 by 3, which is 2.21 by 3, 2.67, and that is the answer. So square root of 7, you will get the approximate value, but you can check on your calculator, you will get only these values. So okay, so moving to the next question, let us take a look at the next question. Next question is root under 12, and you can write root under 12 as root under 9 plus 3, and then root 9, which is 3, plus our b is 3 here. So remember, b by 2 times root a, and root a is again 3, so 2 times 3. So formula is very simple. You write here a, and here it is b by 2 times whatever you have written, 2 times root a. So that gives you 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 and a half, that is 3.5. So you will get the answer of root 12 approximately this only. You can check on your calculator, you will get the same answer. Let us take another example, root under, now we are taking 3-digit numbers, so 365. Let us take 365 as the next question. So we have to find the square root of 365. We know 365 can be written as 361 plus 4. Why I have taken 361? Because 361 is a perfect square. This is a and this is b. So root a is root 361 plus b over b is 4 as per this question, so write 4, and 2 times root 361. This is what our formula is. So this is 19. Root 361 is 19, and plus 4 by 2 under root 19 under root 361. So you can cancel this 2 and this 4, so it becomes 2 by 19, and 2 by 19 when you find out, you will get 3 point it is approximately 319 and 361, you will get 0.105. You can check your answer, you will get around the same value. 2 by 19, yes, you will get the same value. So this is your answer for root 365. Let us take a look at next question. You can see the next question is under root 329. So we have to write it in the two and we have to break it into two numbers such that their sum is 329, and one of them should be a perfect square as well as close to this number. So 324 is a perfect square and plus 5. We can write it like this. Square root of 324 is 18. So we will directly write the result. 18 plus b is 5 by 2 times 18 is equal to 18 plus 5 by 36 which on further solving gives you 18.138. 18.138. This is the answer we have got by using shortcut trick, and I will show you on calculator also what actually we get. So here is our calculator, and I am going to find the square root of 329. So square root of 329 is equal to 18.138 up to 3 decimal places, and you can see here we have got the same answer, 18.3138. So this is a very useful trick, and this takes, with little practice, it will hardly take you 5 seconds to get the perfect, to find the square root of a non-perfect square numbers, the numbers which are not a perfect square. Let us take a look at the next example. Our next example is square root of 293. I can write it as 289 plus 4, because 289 is a perfect square and its square root is 17. So our answer will be 17 plus 4 by 2 times 17. 2 and 4 gets cancelled. You are getting 17 plus 2 by 17, and the answer is 17.117. Now I will show you on calculator what the actual answer is coming in the calculator. Now in this calculator I am going to find the square root of 293. So square root of 293 is equal to 17.117. So now check the answer that we have got, and as you can see we have got the same answer, 17.117. So this is very dependable shortcut, and you can use it in your exam to calculate these type of question in quickly and in very short time. Hope this video you enjoyed it. If you have any confusion question, just put your question at the end. Thank you very much. Put your question in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.